Hello, today I'll be teaching you how to speed up your solving of the 2x2. So, there are lots of different ways that you can speed it up. Firstly, you'll need a fast cube. As you can see, this isn't that fast, and there is not much corner cutting. So, there are ways. You want to learn finger tricks, which are things like once I turn it down, I turn it across as well, and I use that finger to push it up. So you can just practice that and it'll eventually complete itself like that. You can also do the more the more complex version, which is this, and just repeating that until it completes itself, which you saw me do if you watched the tutorial on how to solve this. So you just want to keep practicing that. As you can see, I'm not that fast at it. It's because of the speed of the cube, and also I'm still practicing this. Whenever I can Rubik's Cube, I just or solve it. So another way is once it's mixed up, you can also look at I use yellow, so you can look at it and find all the matching pairs of where they need to go. So you look at yellow here, there's a yellow here, and there's a blue and a red. So you want to find a blue or a red. So there's a blue here, so it needs to go up to that part. Then, since the others are in place, this one just goes in the last place. So that's a way you can easily solve it. And then I stuff something up there. So yeah, you just want to keep practicing and you'll eventually be able to solve it. So yeah, I can do it in about 30 seconds. That's nowhere near the fastest time, but it's okay for me. So yeah, just keep practicing, and that's all you need to do to become fast at a Rubik's Cube. There's also one last way which you can speed up solving the Rubik's Cube. So if I just mix it up with these 5 moves, and then, so once you get the first layer done, like this, then you look on the bottom. Now, if it's like this, you look here, and the corner is there. Now I found that if you look at the piece that's next to it, you want to put it, so normally you'd have it in there and just do this move twice, like that, but you don't need to do that. Instead, you go to the side where there's only one, and then do the opposite. Like that. So that, as you can see, is just the first layer done in one algorithm. So again, this is the not the way I showed you in the tutorial. And this is the way to solve it with one algorithm. And then you just need to do your last algorithm and it's completed.